This is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Stock number is 28233T. Get you a look at it here. Fog lights are going to be here in front. Here's the grill on it. It's a charcoal color. Your turn signals are going to be here in the mirror as well. Really good looking truck. It's got premium cloth seats, heated seats, heated steering wheel, got the touch screen, your four-wheel drive options. You have the 115 volt here, so you can plug your cell phone charger in. Got your hands free on the steering wheel. There's the dash for you. Console. Gonna have your DC volt down here as well. All power seats, windows and doors. You got cup holders here as well as there. This is to hold your phone right here. Back seat for you. Plenty of room back here. You'll have two cup holders here as well. Another DC volt. A heated steering wheel, and them heated seats come in handy in the winter. Again, this is the Bighorn edition. 4x4. Chrome on the handles. Again, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Looking at a 2018 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Stock number is 28233T. You can reach us online at www.sherrychrysler.com or give us a call at 937-778-0830. Ask for Cody.